Hi, good morning and good evening, everyone. Today we will see Salesforce session 14. In this session, we are going to see some important concept called page layouts. Till now, whatever 13 sessions we have discussed, those sessions we are doing long practice, so many assignments, so many questions. Why Madhu is giving all these questions, such a boring subject. But finally, where we will go, if you ask me, we will go first to application. How many screens are there in application? While creating application, what are those screens? How many screens we get?
Five.
Five. What are those?
Five, sir. New
First one?
Details and branding.
building and
Sorry, I am not.
app building, branding and
What is
Details and branding.
details and
branding.
and branding? Next,
utility items.
utility items are something else.
Utility.
Second,
Fields and relationships. Sir.
why fields and relationships here?
No. Utility
Third one is
items,
utility
navigation
items. And become perfect. Next. 5 screens. Details and branding. Next one is
app options.
App options.
then utility items. Next.
Items, navigation items.
Navigation items.
Okay, navigation items.
Profiles.
Next, what is next after application?
Object.
Objects, sir.
So I am not going in detail of what this contains. We will see one day. Object. How many screens we get?
One.
What
One.
is the screen?
New
custom.
New?
Custom
custom object.
New custom.
Object.
Okay. Next.
Next is tab.
Tab. How many screens?
3.
How many?
New custom object tab.
3. And
New?
New tab.
First one. First screen. First screen is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 we get. In the step 1, what we have to do?
label.
Assign it for an application.
First screen. Okay, what is second screen?
Object.
What is third? What is fourth?
So first is the tab name.
Okay. When you click on new custom object tab, after that first screen, what we get? What we have to select?
Object name.
Select?
Object manager.
Object name.
Okay. First screen, step 1.
Setup.
Yeah, that is fine. When you have selected new custom tab, click on new. Then what we have to select?
Object.
Okay. What is that screen name? Or when you are creating tab along with the object, what is the first screen we get? When you click on save object, what first screen we will get?
New custom object tab, sir.
Okay. Well, you have to remember this. Tabs we are going.
Then add to profiles.
Edit I am
Ed-
saying.
Oh, tab label. Custom.
Custom tab definition.
Custom tab definition, right?
Okay.
So here, we don't have. We have to create new. Yeah, just is this. Which tab? Enter the details, please, right? It is giving enter the details. Step
Yes.
1. Getting?
Yes.
Yes.
This is the first screen. You have to remember this. Enter the details. Next. Select something. And even you have to remember internally what options are there. If you don't remember, the functionality will become difficult. Next, profiles.
Add to profiles.
Next. Next one is after this.
Add to custom apps.
Add to.
Customer.
Custom apps.
Why it is not coming? Any problem? It is there. Why it is not? Okay, next one. Add to.
Apps. Custom profiles.
Add to custom profiles.
Custom apps.
Custom apps. Next screen. Okay, add to custom apps. Next. Next one.
Only 3 screens while creating tabs.
User profiles. User profiles.
User profiles, second step. Next one. Only 3 screens.
3.
4 or 3.
3. 3.
Step 1, step 2, step 3. 1 of 3. Okay, next. Next tab. After that. After tab. What is it?
Field.
Record.
While creating field, how many screens we? How many? First, what we have to select?
Object.
Object.
Select object, sir. We have to select object.
Object menu. It is
Data.
first what we have to select to create a field. What we have to select?
Create.
Policy. Field central.
What we have to select? When we click new, what happens? What screen we get?
New custom field.
New custom object. New custom field.
Custom field.
Okay,
Field.
we will get, but what we will get, what we have to do in the first step?
Label. Field label.
Select data type.
Yes, select data type. Without selecting data type, it will not arrive.
Okay.
Choose the field type.
Choose the field type.
Choose the field.
Next one.
Details.
Record.
Next one is what? We'll select
Details.
something. Checkbox.
Next.
What screen we have? Enter
Enter
the,
the details.
how many steps we are getting?
4,
7.
5. 5.
Field level security. Here we are selecting profiles. Next,
Yes.
add to page layouts. So 13 sessions are moving around this only. If you remember this, that is enough. If you remember this table, in this table, if you extend, what are the different options are there in each screen? Simply, if you remember this table, you are done with 13 sessions, nothing else. You have to prepare this table. You have to go to application and try without seeing what options are giving in details and branding. Fill this table. Take Word document and fill this table and each option. If you know what is each option is doing, your 30 to 40% admin is done. All your concepts move around this only. Because you will see what is profiles, what is tab, what is object, what is field, what are data types, what is field level security, what is page layouts, what are custom apps. All this, whatever you are seeing, these are only your topics. If you anyone wants to keep in resume, you have to keep this only in your resume. You know profiles, you know custom objects, you know field level security, you have knowledge on page layouts, you have experience on field types. All these things we keep. These only in resume, they'll ask these questions only, nothing else. You need to elaborate this, extend this. What options are available and what is each option. Whatever we are doing is same real-time work. There is no difference between general technical practice and real time. Same, whatever you do after getting job, we are doing same things. We are going to do same things. Because this is a ready-made application provided by Salesforce. That application we are going to customize and configure. So now, application, when you are at application, the options it is giving are different. When you are at application level, highest is what? Profile. include your profile application to that profile, then only you can see. Getting? Without
Yes.
adding custom application to profile, you cannot see. Because every user will have a profile. Understood what I said? Everyone? Everyone got it? When we are creating application, custom application, we are going to give access for that application through profile. Each user will have a profile. What is your profile? What is your profile?
System admin.
You are a system administrator. When you take license, when you created org, when you created developer edition account, that means you are going to take license from Salesforce. That means I am adding one more thing on the top. You are taking license from Salesforce, right? When you take license, what you are getting? What you are getting?
Login credentials.
Login credits means user, right?
User.
Yes.
You are a user. As a user, you have a license. Along with license, you have a profile. Along with license, you have a profile. What license you have, what profile you have, you know, system administrator profile you have. User is,
Master.
and license we have. What license you have? You are understanding concepts, right? I am feeling I am giving in the best way. I don't know I am giving or not. See this. User is this. Profile. What license I have? See,
Salesforce.
Salesforce. Without license and profile, there is no user. When you are a user, when you take license from the Salesforce, you get a profile. That means license, user, profile. These three are interlinked. User must have a license and profile. Based on your profile, you will see the application. Based on your profile, you will have access for the applications. It is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
All profiles will not have access for all applications. You are defining that at application level. So next, object. Is object visible to everyone?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Based on the security level only. First, initially, we are going to store that in the database. So based on the access, based on the security only, users can see this. Applications are based on the profile access, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is One more thing I am adding. Level. We have profile level access here. First point is profile level. This I am calling as OWD. Organization wide defaults. OWD I am calling. Organization wide default. When you create when you take license, when you get access for the org, that time there is a security. OWD security. Organization wide default you will get. Next, you will have profile level access. Next, application level. Object level security. Tab level. Field level security. Sorry, tab. All these are separate topics. OWD, profile, application, object, tab, field, FIEL. All these are access levels. This is a security, data security in Salesforce. These are separate topics. License user profile is a separate topic. This is one topic. Along with this profile, you will have permission sets. So all this table you have to remember. If you remember this table, you know what is Salesforce, what topics are there, what syllabus is there in Salesforce. With that, you will understand what is important, what is not important. Everything is important. What we have to give more priority. This is the very, very important topic. This one, security. In interview, you will have 2-3 questions on this. You will have almost 20 to 30 questions in the interview. Out of that, 2 questions to 3 questions, 10% questions will be there from security. One question will come from all this. 1 to 2 questions. So in the basics, you will get 4 to 5 questions. Out of our 20 sessions, you are going to attempt 4 to 5 questions in the interview. To answer those 4 to 5 questions, we are spending this much time. So are you able to connect with me while going with the sessions?
Yes, sir.
This is the training I have planned how for UPPSC people will train. In that way, I am teaching. There for UPPSC, people first will remember syllabus. If you fix this table in your brain, then you will extend route map for each and everything. If you don't remember this, you cannot extend your subject. Without knowing name of USA, how you will go to USA? There some dots are there to go to US. You have to travel from your hometown to Hyderabad, Hyderabad to airport, airport to some New York airport or some Florida airport or Dallas airport. First, we have to see milestones. Then for each and every milestone, we have to make a path. We have to step. So this one you have to remember. This table you have to prepare. Then you have to extend. Some of you might be getting calls from our side for mock interviews. I don't know how many of you got. You people have given time. Monday I will take all of your schedule in the sheet. So I am going to allot teams within us. With those teams we are going to work. I will do it on Monday. Some people are absent today. Don't know, they have thought no session today. If I give some break 2 days, they forget me. That's why I tell Swapna, don't give holidays. They will forget us. Okay, now we will move to our topic. Now we have created object using object manager, right? I want to create one object and its field by using schema builder. Did you create candidate object? Did you
Yes,
make
sir.
anyone make sheet like this? Whoever is done. Did you make sheet like this? I gave assignment like this to make. For candidate object, anyone made sheet like this? If you have done now, our work is easy. Otherwise, I have to go in different way now. If you have that sheet, you send it to me. I will go with that. Anyone have? Candidate object, anyone created?
No.
You have to do it. If you do it, then today I would have used same thing. Otherwise, I have to go take some other object. Okay. Now I am going to schema builder and creating one new object. How to go to schema builder?
Setup.
Setup.
Setup, sir. Object manager.
Schema builder or directly object?
Schema builder we can type in search box.
Here you can build schema. You can type schema builder. In this schema builder, I want to create new object. How I can do that? How to do that?
Objects.
Objects are elements.
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 Drop this
Drag.
object. I want to create hiring manager. Hiring managers. Description hiring manager. So I want to have hiring manager name, text it is automatically allow reports, allow activities, track field history. It is deployed, add notes and attachments. Just save this. How many fields we got? When we created object, how many fields we get?
4.
4 or 5?
5.
Only 5.
1 is not visible, but 5 we have got it. 4 we have 5 total we have got. 4 we can see. Same fields we are seeing here, right? This is the record name, right? Created by, last modified by owner and record ID.
Yes, sir.
These are the 5 standard fields. Now I want to create one more field. Location. In which location he is working. For location, there are some different locations. Location I am giving. Where is that location? For location, what
Data type.
data type I have to select?
Geo, sir. Geolocation.
Geolocation.
For location, I want to select location for him. The company is in 2-3 countries or 2-3 locations. He is working.
Pick list.
Pick list we have to select. Drop that pick list here. Working location. Geolocation is if you want to give map.
Yes.
Values, maybe Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai. Hey, Noida.
Hey. మీదే కదా
Chennai. Display values automatically. I am not selecting any default value. Save. Okay. Now another field. Contact number. Email address. For contact number, what we have to give?
Phone number.
phone.
Phone. Contact number. Save. Email address. Save. Now, how many fields we have created? How many fields we have created?
7.
3 extra. 4.
Three.
4 extra.
4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. Now, I will go here. Policies. Policies are? Which one? Hiring manager, right?
Manager.
Why it is not coming here?
Because we didn't assign it to the application.
Visibility, default visibility.
Permission, sir.
What we have done just now?
We just created it, sir.
Which one we have created?
Only object we have created doesn't created the tab.
So whenever you are created object through schema builder, did it ask to create tab?
No.
No.
It did not ask. It did not ask. So let us create tab now. How to create tab?
Go to the object manager and click on search for the tab.
Setup.
Object manager.
In the object manager, can we create tab?
Yes.
How is
Create
it?
custom tab will be there.
Where that option is there?
In create custom tab.
Where we have to go to create
Go to the setup, then search for the tab.
setup?
Right on tab.
Here also In this create, we can have custom tab.
Here, how many types we get? How many types of tabs?
Two types.
2 types or 5 types of tabs? How many types of tabs we have? How many
Wait.
types?
Wait. 5.
5 types of tabs are there. Every day you have to read those documents from 1 to last
Yes.
till you get command on it. Once you get command, then no need to read. It will be fixed like ABC. Till that time, you have to practice read.
Yes.
Click on new. Here, which objects it will show now?
All the custom. All objects, sir.
All
Custom.
objects are
Just
All
created
That
object.
object whose tab is not created yet now.
or whichever objects we have don't have tab, only that objects are visible here. See, these policies and positions have tabs. For these two, there is objects. Policy and position object, is it showing here? It won't.
No.
Only the object which doesn't have tab, it is showing. Hiring manager. Select tab style. I am giving to all profiles. Then applications. Here we are giving access to profiles and applications. So whenever we are creating tab, we are getting 3 screens. In that screen, we are giving access at profile level and application level. Just remember this. Tab is for profile level and application level. For field, how many levels? How many screens we are getting first?
Field 4.
Where we are giving field level security? We are giving this security, we are giving for which one? Applications are
Objects.
this field level security we are giving. How we are?
Yeah, we can. Who can see and who cannot read. I think.
Field level security while creating the field. Here you are clearly understanding profiles and applications. And this one, establishing field level security for what? If you give this, what happens? What it is asking? Step 3. We have created 19 fields. We should have remembered what is happening there. We should.
Profiles, we can system administrator who can see the fields.
This is for profiles. While creating the field. Now go to object manager. Let us complete this first. There we are. Have you created tab? Saved it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think. In this hiring manager object, we'll create one field. Fields and relationships. New. Designation I want to give. Which data type I should select? Which data type? Text is enough, right?
Text.
Click next. Field label. Designation. Length. Designation will be maximum 50 characters, not more than. Click next. What it is asking here? It is for profiles, right?
Mm.
All these are profiles or not?
Yes.
Select
Yes.
the profiles to which you want to give access. Visible to all. This is page layout. I am clicking on save. Now you have to make some observations. I am going here. I want to create one hiring manager. I am clicking on new. How many fields we have created?
And designation.
7,
Hmm?
8,
How many we have created?
8,
We have created how many? How many fields should be there now?
9,
Total 5 standard fields, right? Other than that,
Standard.
how many we have created? Which fields we have created just now? 4. First field, what we have created? If now what we have created? Designation, right? Before designation,
number, location,
location, right? Before location, after location we have created. Which field we have created? Email, contact number. Where you are? We have created these 4 fields, right? These 3 fields we have created from schema builder, right? Are you active and listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These 3 we have created by using schema builder, right?
Yes.
While creating object, we have created 1 field. Out of this 5. 1 field. What is that? Hiring manager name, right? These 5. Now, to enter in the screen, it should display how many fields? Now, when I am creating new record, these 5 fields are available. These 5 fields we have created, right? These
Yes,
5
sir.
fields we have created. 1, while creating the object.
ID,
These 3 while creating the schema builder. And designation by using object manager, right?
Yes, sir.
So now when we click on new, it should display for input, right? Why we are creating fields? Why we are creating fields? What is the purpose of field?
For entering values.
So you have to take input from user. I am working as a user now. You have to take values To enter those values, you have to go to that tab and click on new. Here it is showing only 2 fields. Why? What about remaining 3 fields? Hiring manager it is showing. What it is showing here? Hiring manager and designation it is showing. Hiring manager it is showing, right? Designation it is showing.
Yes, sir.
And what about remaining 3 fields?
Yes.
Where they went? Where they went? Why apply your thought process?
ID.
ID? ID? What is ID? Just think. When you are creating field using object manager, you have got this screen, right? Did you get
Yeah,
this
to
screen?
page layouts.
Did you get this screen while creating?
Yes.
While creating using schema builder, did you get these 2 options?
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
no,
We didn't get it.
no,
While creating schema builder.
no.
While creating field using schema builder, we have not get that, we didn't get those options. What options we are getting while creating the schema builder?
Elements, objects.
Sir.
I want to create a field. I want to create salary.
So.
I want to create salary for this hiring manager. Which one I have to take now?
Currency.
Currency.
I am taking currency. What options we are getting here? Are we getting that field level security and page layout option? Establish
No,
field
no,
level security.
No, no, sir.
We are
Only
not getting. We are getting only this enter the details.
Field labels only we are getting.
Only we are getting step 2. Step 1 we are selecting. Step 2 we are doing here. This one is step 2, right? All these details, whatever you are displaying here, options, these are at step 2. Step 3, step 4 we are not getting. Did you observe?
Yes, sir.
So I am giving salary. Salary. I am making it required. Save. I have created one more. Salary. Using schema builder. Now will it display? Now these, how many we are getting? When we go to tab and click on new, we are getting this one and this one, right? We are getting 2 fields only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Do you remember? Because you have to
Yes, sir.
understand it clearly. Now, this will display or not? When you click on new, I have not refreshed it. Now, if I refresh it, will it display salary here or not?
No, sir.
No.
So now tell me, whoever is saying no, if you lost, you have to pay me $100. Think one more time. Will it display or not? I am recording this session. Now salary will display or not if I refresh. If you lost, you have to pay $100. 11 members are there. 1100 I have to get today. Again, think and tell me. Just guess. I am confidently saying I will get $1100 today.
It will display.
Why it will display?
Maybe it will take mandatory kind of thing, the page layout and that one.
We have not discussed about page layout. Did we go to page layout till now? We have not.
No.
It won't display because this is the only screen. There's no other screen after this. It's just save.
Now my question is, we have created these 3 fields using schema builder. The 1, 2, 3, 4 fields we have created, right?
Mhm.
Let me take this up. We have created 2 fields through object manager. These 2 fields are displaying, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Now
Oh,
I have created other.
the reason that salary won't show up is because in schema builder we only see the properties page. We don't see the page for
View.
field level security and and for giving permission to see on all objects.
Did you observe one more thing? Okay, whatever you said is correct. Now you are saying this salary will not display, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Because these 3 fields are not showing. We have created by using schema builder.
Schema builder.
These 3 fields are not showing because we don't have field level security option and page layout option while creating schema builder. So
Yes.
salary also you are saying same thing, right?
Yes.
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 You are saying it will not display.
Yes.
I am sending my account number to all people. This challenge is good for me to get money. Why to do the reading? I am refreshing. Why it got salary?
If it only got salary, what about the other 2 that we created?
You said you will not display. I said I did not say anything.
No, that is fine. But with salary, we made 2 more things in schema builder, right? So why is that 2 not
They are
showing?
not displaying it here.
That's what I asked you.
Oh.
You said it will not display. It is displayed now. Anyway, I will tell because you are paying fee. But what about this money? Who will pay this now? Otherwise, you tell reason why it is displayed. Why it is displaying? Why these 3 fields are not displayed?
Maybe the reason is data type because currency is
Currency data type, email, contact number, location. What is the difference in data type? No difference.
Default.
Is it any default mandatory thing? When required
Did
field
we
that one?
made required here or not for salary? Did we made required? Salary we made required, right?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe.
We made it required. That's why
Yes.
it is showing display. For these 3 fields we made required or not? For these 3 fields, did we make it required?
No.
No.
Because of that only it is not displaying. But functional level, we have created those fields. But how to get those fields now? How to make how to get those fields?
From the page layout, we need to add that one, I think.
Mandatory fields.
You people already learned Salesforce from someone else,
No.
Sirisha.
Yeah, I listen. Yeah.
That's why you are telling. Usually, most of the people like husbands are working in Salesforce and they are learning. If I ask some questions, they are taking you, asking them and giving answers. When I say challenge, immediately they will call them. What is this question? What is this question? Now page layouts. What is page layout? What is page layout? What is page layout?
It's what you, it's all the
Presentation
different things that you
of,
see on the page as soon as you open it.
Now I am going to ICICI Bank. Here, this is login, right? And
Yes.
for login, it is having some different options. Personal, corporate banking, NRI banking, money to India, money to all, B2 digital banking. These options are there. Anybody who wants to enter into ICICI Bank account, internet banking, if they want to log in, they have to log in from here. There is different kinds of banking, right? Personal means that is just personal. You might be getting salary account. Corporate means for organization. We have Swapna Salesforce. For that, we take corporate banking. If it is an individual, we will take personal. It comes on Swapna name. If it is a corporate banking, it company name will be there. I am the owner of the company. And Swapna is in Dubai. She might get NRI banking. If you want to regularly sending money to India, we have this account. There are different options. Whenever we have account with them, they have divided this into these categories, right? They have divided these categories. Why they have divided this into categories? Why they have divided like this?
look and feel purpose. Easy.
Why they have divided in this like this? If I click personal banking, will we see same login details, same screens? If I click on corporate banking, we will see same screen.
No, sir.
No.
I am clicking on personal banking. How it is displayed? What options it is giving? It is giving some different options. It is giving some different options. If I go and click on some other banking, corporate, I'm selecting corporate banking. How it is displaying now? Same screen we got or different screen? How we got this? Did you observe difference? We are trying to log into internet banking. When we select personal, it gave this screen. When we select corporate banking, it gave this screen. There is change. But is there change or not?
Yes.
When there is change, that means what we are doing internally? What we are doing, Shirisha? Why there is change? Based on what?
Because we kept them in the page layout, how we want to show the customer, we are designing that.
Internally, the database object fields are same. But the page layout is changed. The layout which we are giving for personal banking, it is a different page layout. For corporate banking, it is a different page layout. We have created in what object? Position object we have created. We have created position object. Where is that position object? Position. In this, we have created these many fields. Now, for this position object, we have created some 19 fields we have created. So in this position object, there are different fields. These fields are some are related to job. Some are related to skills. Some are related to personal details. Right? Salary, job posted, shift time, contact person, email, all these things are there. Now, there are different teams in the organization. There are different teams in organization. IT team will be there. IT team in the sense HR team, let us assume. And there is front desk team. And there is interview team. Means those are IT team. For these teams, front desk team, like when you come for interview, at front desk, what they will do is, they will ask for which position you are applying. For which position you are applying. IT team, interview team, those who are working, what they will ask? They will ask technical skills, right? They want to know about your technical skills. HR team, what they want to know about? salary
Salary
details.
purpose.
We have created 19 fields. Just a second. We have created 19 fields. For the 19 fields, do they need, this front desk team need these 19 fields? Do they need to, do we give access for front desk people for everything?
No, sir.
They don't need to about their skills. They don't need to know about their percentage. They don't need to know about their salary details. For this position, how much salary they are offering. They don't need. What they need?
Minimum.
They need minimum access. They might need a position ID. And what is that? For which position? Job title. They ask only these two details. They need only job title because they want to know for which job position you came for interview. For them, we can give access only minimum access. For them, we can give front desk layout. HR team, they might not ask about your skills. They want for this position, how much salary we are offering. For that, we create HR team layout. For IT team, they want to know about skills. For IT team, we create one layout. And we give access to this layout for front desk team. Getting? So they can see only the fields which we have included in this layout. Whatever we have included in this layout, front desk layout, those fields only visible to front desk team. For HR team, whatever the fields we have included in page layout, whatever the fields we have included in this HR team page layout, only they can see those fields. For IT team, whatever the fields we have included, only those fields they can see. No other fields. Did you understand what I am saying? Theoretically, I said. Now here, these many fields are there. We have created these fields. Position ID should be there in here. Auto number should be there. Position ID should be there for which layout? Front desk layout. Next. What are the other layouts we have? HR layout. I am writing only FD. I am writing FDL. Next, IT layout. These are the three layouts we have. In this position ID, I want. Yes. I want in position front desk layout. In HR layout as well, I want. Here also I want. Government clearance. This one related to front desk layout. Is it required for them? Do they need to see this? Front desk people. Government clearance. They don't need. HR team
They need it.
Yes.
and IT team.
They don't.
Yes.
Yes.
Why they don't need? That is related to HR. Government clearance. Why you are as a IT employee, like you are working for the project, you are taking interview for them. Why you need that information? That is related to HR. Salary. Who is required to see?
HR.
HR only. Remaining
HR.
now, right? These people doesn't need. Date posted. Front desk team.
Yes.
Front desk team.
Yes, sir.
And last date to apply. Front desk team.
Yes.
They
Yes.
need
Yes.
to know. HR they need to know. They need to know. And these people they don't need, because both of them we follow. Oh yeah, no. For them it is not required. For IT team it is not required. They will, both of them will check. He doesn't need. Shift time. Front desk doesn't need.
Both.
HR team required. And these persons need, right?
Yes.
IT team. Because they have to explain. Because you will ask question, right? When they are taking interview, you will ask you do you have any questions if interviewer asks, you will ask what is the shift timing, what is the nature of job. Contact person email, front desk team, they need, right?
Yes.
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 All of them.
All of them need. Location,
Yes.
it might not required for anyone. Only for HR team it might require. What is? Oh, these people also required, yes. For them, this is not required. Number of positions, who required?
HR.
HR only required. These people not required. Percentage, degree percentage, who required? Front desk required?
HRs.
No,
No,
these
front
are
desk
not
is not-
required. Only HR required. This one is not required. Contact phone number. Front desk need.
Yes.
Yes, everyone.
Pick list, mode of working.
No.
Front desk not required.
HR, yes.
HR
IT
required.
and IT.
Yes.
This required. Everyone getting, right?
Yes.
Skills required.
No.
Front desk does not need.
IT.
HR?
Yes.
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 No.
This person's no. Job title?
Yes.
These
Yes.
persons required because they want to see. And this
Yes.
is also
Yes.
required. Job description.
Yes.
Role. Front desk?
No.
They might not need.
Yes.
Persons
HR, yes.
required.
Yes.
HR and IT team. Job description. These people doesn't require. Front
Yes.
desk. HR
Yes.
and this one required. About company, this one
No.
don't need to see.
No.
Yes.
Yes, and these people yes. This password,
Yes.
yes. Let us. URL. They might need or they might not need. We can give for everyone. Like this, we have to fill. This is about page layouts. Are you getting clarification why we are making this sheet? So give page layouts. This is for page layout. So we have to prepare document like this. These fields we should give access to whom? Which page layout we should get? Now what I do is, I am going to page layouts. And one more thing we have not cleared is, whenever you give required in the schema builder, that will be automatically displayed in the page layout. If you don't mention required while creating the field, if you create fields through schema builder, it will not give. What are the two drawbacks of schema builder? Drawbacks using schema builder when you create objects or fields.
It don't show the field level security.
And page.
We
And
cannot create
tab
an
You
option.
tab
cannot
with the
create
use of
tab, first one.
Tab option. Okay.
Only mandatory fields are visible. Optional fields are not visible in page layout. Clear? If you want to include them, you have to go to page layout. How to go to page layouts? Where you can see page layout? In the object manager, if you go to that objects, what is that objects? Hiring manager. In that object, if you go under fields and relationship, page layouts is there. In this page layout, you can open this. There you can see this. Here, which one is inactive, which one is active, check. These are the fields, right? Here we are seeing both options, left side and right side. In the left side, fields, buttons, quick actions, mobile lightning, expanded lookups, related list, report charts. These are the different options available. Navigation. To go to page layout. After navigation, what options we have? Right and left. In the right side, what options are available? In the left side, what options are available? Right side, field, buttons, quick actions, mobile lightning, expanded lookups, related list, report charts. Left side, section, blank space, and different options are available. When you select fields, right side, whatever related to fields, it is showing. If you click on buttons, it is changing. If you click on quick actions, it is changing. When you go to mobile lightning options, it is changing. Expanded lookups, it is changing. Related list, it is changing. Reports and charts, it is changing. Based on the right side option, whichever we are selecting, left side, it is displaying options related to that. Now we have selected fields and relationship. In this fields and relationship, whatever we are seeing here now, when you go here, when you go to that position object, hiring manager object, when you click on new, how many fields it is showing here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? There, how many it is showing? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one, 5, 6. How many it is not showing? How many it is not showing?
Working location,
How
email,
many fields
contact
it should
number.
show usually? How many fields we have created? How many we have created? How many we have created? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 6 fields are there. Other than the 6, how many are there? Are you getting?
Yes.
5.
How other than these 6 fields, how many are there?
5, sir.
5 are?
Standard fields.
HR manager name is one standard, right?
Yeah.
And how many other?
3.
Tell me what are those? Record ID.
Record ID.
Record
Owner.
ID.
Owner
Owner.
ID.
Created by.
Created.
Last modified by.
Lastly modified.
So how many total?
4.
These are 5.
5.
Remaining
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
10, right? Out
Total
of 10, how many it is displaying here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Record ID will show here.
No.
No.
Then 7. How many remaining?
3.
3.
Here you can see which one is highlighted. How many highlighted here? How many are active?
3.
So these 3 fields you have to add in page layout. How you can add? You can
Just drag and drop.
And drop.
If you drag it, it immediately became inactive. You see?
Yes.
Right?
Right, sir.
So now it will show or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You have to click on save. Now go here. Refresh. Now it's shown, right? If you create fields by using schema builder, if you are made those fields are optional, if you don't make it required, you have to go to page layout and add those fields. Then only it will display in the page layout. Whenever you create an object, internally what's happening? When you create objects, I have explained in the previous session. When you create object, what is happening in the back end? It is creating an object, right? What object it has created? Hiring manager __ C, right? And
Yes.
what tab it has created? Tab. Which tab?
Hiring managers.
Hiring managers, right? Hiring managers. And internally, what business logic it is creating?
C.
Hiring manager _C.
This is a class. And one more thing, what it is creating?
Layout.
Page layout. It has created custom object. It has created tab. It has created business logic. It has created page layout. For any object, if you create tab for that object, these 4 will be created. object, tab, business logic, and page layout. What is page layout for account object? What is page
Account
layout
page.
for account object? You go to any object manager, go to standard object, check page layout. What page layout it has? Account layout. See? When it is created, 6/3/23, 8:23 p.m. And if you go to any other object, contact, page layouts. How many layouts are there? 4 layouts. This is the contact layout. Now you go to hiring manager. How many layouts will be there? For account, how many we are seeing? For account, how many we are seeing? How many we have seen? When you go to account object, how many layouts we have seen? How many page layouts?
For account sales layout and account marketing layout, account
When you go to contact, how many we have seen? When you go to contact, how many? When you go to contact, how many it has shown? Contact object I am going. I am clicking on page layouts. Are you people getting? How many layouts it has shown? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? In the similar way, if you go to hiring manager, how many it will show? If I go to hiring manager page layouts, how many it will show?
1, 4.
It is showing 1. When they created standard objects, standard tabs, they have given 4 layouts. When we have created custom, it has given only 1 layout. See? This one only they have given. In this, we have customized it, right? They have given this layout. This layout we can customize. By default, one layout has been created. If you want to create new layout, you can create. How to create? You can edit this. You can click on new. You can select existing page layout and create new one. To whom we have to create? Front desk. Or else I will go to position object. In this position object, I will go to page layouts and I will create new. And I will select existing page layout and create front desk. Save. I will create one more. Which one? By using position layout, I will create one more. HR layout. Save. I will create one more layout, IT layout. by using this. What's that? IT layout. Now all of them I have cloned. So how many it will show now here? If I go to page layouts, 4 layouts it is showing, right? I have created now. All will have same layout, right? If I go and open here, edit, this is same as that only, right? No change, because I have cloned these layouts. Now if I want to give access to this front desk, edit, I want to remove all things. I just want to give Are you able to see my screen? Displaying something. I want to remove access for few things. In this layout, I don't want to keep percentage. I want to remove number of positions. I want to remove. Shift time I want to remove. But it is mandatory. It will not allow us to remove. Whatever is not required, those only we can remove. Mode of working, I don't want in this layout. Salary, I want to remove. Save. Now in this page layout, if I select this page layout, how I can assign this page layout? Now in this page layout, I can see only these fields. These fields only visible. Whoever is having this page layout, front desk page layout, they can see these fields only. Other fields they cannot see. I will go to page layouts. This page layout, front desk page layout. I want to assign this. This page layout should be visible to whom? Front desk. To whom this page layout should be visible? Here it is showing for everyone, position page layout it is showing. Now this page layout, front desk page layout, I am assigning to some identity user. For identity user, front desk layout I am giving. For identity user. See, it is changed or not? Got it? You have selected this and selected that page layout. See, this is changed, right? Identity user. Getting?
Yes, sir.
This is one of the profile. And for system administrator profile, what do you have? Position layout. If I change it to front desk layout, System administrator can see only front desk layout. Now save. As a system administrator, you have which layout now? Front desk layout, right? Now you go to that position object, position tab. Click on new. Which fields you can see now? Are you able to see all fields? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 fields only you are seeing. Got it?
Yes.
And anyone doubts? It is too late. Vishwajit, Reena, Vijay,
Yes, sir.
Shirisha, you understood, I think so. Bharat,
Yes, sir. Getting.
Mudasir, Harish, Shilpa, Srivalli, Suraj, everybody got it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I will give this as assignments to you. Monday we will discuss more about page layouts and we will get introduction of relationships. Okay, Swapna is starting sessions on 17. I'm stopping the recording.